So a couple of days ago, I showed you how I was implementing a search-based YouTube automation affiliate marketing strategy and getting like $500 RPMs, $300 RPMs on various different products that I was promoting. And the method that I was using is I was going to a launch website. I was looking at all the new launches happening in the making money online niche, grabbing a few products per week and doing a review video of those products. And I think previously in the last video I had like $50 in earnings, but as you can see right now, in my Warrior Plus dashboard, and you can see that in the last 7 days you can see affiliate sales $155.30, last 30 days $266 dollars and 5 cents. So you can see in a 7 day period, like an extra $155. That's actually really good for a channel that's just getting started. The channel's not getting a lot of views, the channel's not monetized. And you can see some of the results here. Hops just means how many clicks I got on that particular day. So today I haven't had any hops. Yesterday 4, 10, 5, and so on. So for the week it's 34 clicks and 9 sales, bringing in $155. And we can go, I can refresh this and the results will still be the same. Okay, I just refreshed it. We can go to affiliate and then we can go to stats. And then let's just go to the last 30 days, because that's when I've really been starting to implement this method. And I've gotten 119 clicks, 16 sales, a 14% conversion rate. And the dollar per hop means how much I'm getting paid, per click that I generate, and that's $2.24. And for the total there you can see 266. So this is all free traffic, no paid ads. You do have to create content, but I create content anyway, and this is very replicatable. So you can see this particular product, Montessori Empire, I got just 6 clicks with 7 sales. So you may be asking, six clicks with 7 sales and 111% conversion rate. That just means that out of the 6 clicks that I got, one person bought every single product that's in the actual funnel. And that particular day I got $139 for that product. And then you get smaller ones. Steamy co-author, 19 clicks, 1 sale for $27. Okay, Saga Post, 13 clicks, 3 sales, $26, and it just goes down like that. So this is all from YouTube traffic and a little bit of email marketing. But if I just actually go to the transactions, you'll be able to see you can add this tracking code in here, and all the tracking codes are YouTube, as you can see here, all YouTube right there. And I made a total of 548 in sales, but my commission 50% is $266. So that's a massive jump from the previous video that I did, and it comes down to staying consistent and doing this method consistently. So I'll go back to the dashboard. This is the actual channel that I'm doing this method on. You can see it's got 11,000 subscribers, but this is an old channel, and I've just got 15 videos. It's not monetized, but even if I was monetized, I'd only be making like $1 in AdSense revenue. So you can see here, average video duration is 16 minutes, and I'm just doing about 3 uploads per week. And now from 0, I've grown the monthly views to around 748. If I can get this to like 5-6K views per month, with around 13 to 15 videos per month, then that's going to be resulting in some really nice revenue. Okay, so I'll show you the channel here real quick. You can see I'm just doing Steamy co-author review. This is an evergreen video. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing in the review videos and then I'm also mixing in evergreen videos that people can find in the search results much later after the product has launched, and then I can still make sales of the actual product. But you can see most of them are reviews. That's a review, and so on and so forth. So it's a good idea to do reviews, but the traffic that you get from the reviews is going to last only about a week, and then the traffic is going to die for that video. So do the evergreen videos on the days that there isn't actually a launch happening. So when there's no launch happening, you can fill your calendar with an evergreen video, and those videos can get views for many, many months, as you know, with search based, and still bringing you those clicks and those affiliate sales. So this brings in, if you average out all the earnings and look at the views of this channel, basically I got 748 views and earned $266. So I'm not sure what RPM that is, but it's really, really high. So how do you actually do this method? Okay, so you go onto this website right here called Munch Eye, and this is going to list out all the upcoming launches. Okay, so the launches happen on mainly two different platforms. So you can see Warrior Plus here and then JV Zoo. Okay, I mainly focus on Warrior Plus, and now this week I'm actually doing a review of Jono Armstrong Prospera Boulder, 6th of August. So I'm doing a review video on that. So what you would do is you would click on that listing. You can open it up in a new tab, and then that's going to take into the details about the launch. So this is by Jono Armstrong. Products called Prospera Builder. It launches on the 6th of August 2026 at 11 a.m. EDT, and you're going to get a 50% commission of 37. Okay, so that's a nice commission. So what you need to do to be able to do a review video of this product, you can do two things. You can get a free review copy of the product, or you can buy the product straight after it goes live, do your review video, upload that, put your affiliate link in the description. That's what you might have to do if you're brand new to this. Since I have some track record on JVZoo and Warrior Plus, I do get review access for these products. But if you do this for like 3 to 6 months, eventually you're just going to get all these products for free. So you can see here it says JV page. What you need to do is click on the JV page, and this will give you more information about the product. Okay, this tells you everything. Bank up to $519.50 per customer, and you can also win $2,000 in contest prizes. So I'm hoping to get to that stage where I start winning the contests and getting like an extra $1,000 per promotion. But what you have to do here is you just you can see at the top right hand corner it says get affiliate link. So what you'll do is you'll click on get affiliate link, and then click on it. It'll take you to the platform where this product is hosted, and in this case it's on Warrior JVZoo. You can see here 37 sale price, commission 50%, and then I already have my link right here because I already asked for my link. But what you'll have to do is request your link. I have this. Let me go to another product. So if you go to affiliates and then you go to find products, I'm just going to go and select this one right here, Insta Striker bundle deal. Okay, you can see that button there that says request approval. You would scroll down and it says request permission. So I have this template that I always use for this. So what it will be is this. So you can feel free to use this, but you want to tailor it to what you're actually asking for. So if I paste that in there, let's just say this is, let's see, the vendor is Victory. Okay, so you type in here, hey, Victory, I would love to promote. Then you get the name of the product, which is Instant Striker Bundle Deal. And then you replace that product in there with that. So now it says, hey Vic, okay, so I would like to promote Instant Striker for the launch. I plan on doing a full and in-depth review video on YouTube, as well as sending a series of emails to my list during the launch. And then it says, in my review video, I'll be covering everything about the product, as well as give my honest thoughts on the product. I'm not new to Warrior Plus. You can say you're new here, so you can say that, you can take that out. You can say I am new to JVZoo, and then you want to put how many sales you've made. If you haven't made sales, you can just take that part out, and then you can say looking forward to the launch and kind regards. Okay, so it didn't copy everything properly, but then you would click I'm not a robot, and then you click on this button, and then you would request approval, and it's as simple as that. Then you got your link, and once your link is approved, usually there's a contact vendor button. So if I go to the public profile of this vendor, you can go ahead and click on their Facebook. Okay, it'll take you through to their Facebook, and you can ask them for a review copy, and they most of the time will give you a review copy because they want to promote this and get a good amount of sales. Now I'll close that and go back to my channel. I want to show you because I said I was doing email marketing. You can see if I click on this video right here, and by the way, you don't have to show your face on camera when you're doing these videos. I just do always face cam videos, webcam videos. But what you want to do is, you can see I got my description here, just a short 300 character description. Then you put your affiliate link plus exclusive 5 bonuses. What you can do is you can get a subscription to Claude. Ask Claude to make you 5 PDF bonuses for the product, and you just copy and paste the sales page copy into Claude. It'll spit out 5 PDF bonuses for you. Then you host them on, let me show you. If I go to Google Drive and I go to affiliate marketing, you can see I'll just go into this one. You got the 5 bonuses created with Claude, and then you open it up in a Google Doc, and then you say thanks for your purchase. Below you'll find all your bonuses for picking up a copy of Prom Ninja AR through me. You list out all your 5 bonuses as PDF guides, and then you go ahead and give that to your bonuses. That happens automatically on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And you can see here, learn how I'm building a $150 per day online side hustle. Okay, if people click on that after they've watched the review video, it takes them to my sales, my opt-in page, where I teach them the launch jacking method. They can enter in their email, and then I'll give them the PDF guide on how they can do that. That builds my email list from this free traffic, and it's a very powerful way to build up your email list for free. So that's what I've been doing on these channels right here, on that channel, and in the last month I got $266.05, hoping to scale this to like 3 to 4K per month. Okay, so if you want to learn, get early access to this method and everything in detail, you can click the first link in the video description, go to my community, and it'll take you to this page. You just go ahead and start a free trial, and then it's just going to be $7 per month after your free trial. And I've got a lot of stuff in this community that's going to benefit you on your search-based YouTube automation journey. So you can see the classroom here. You got the beginner's guide to search-based viral niches, the main course that's going to teach you everything about search-based YouTube automation, how to grow and scale and take your channel to the next level. That's like a 5-hour course. A lot of people enjoy that. Then we do weekly live calls. I'll post the recordings in there. Then I've got ad-free training, one-on-one coaching. It's all available for you. I'm going to be adding the launch jacking method in here for you guys, so it's all in one place. So you can just click the first link in the video description, get a free trial, and I hope to see you on the inside.